Today we got a video from Cuffs and Bagels, and the title of the video is, he thought he could buy his way out of arrest.
Let's make a deal. Fuck you.
At 10:28 a.m. on January 2nd, 2025, officers with the Joliet Police Department in Illinois responded to a report of a man with a gun. Police say that a man approached a woman sitting in a vehicle, showed a handgun, and tried to get inside the vehicle. The woman drove away safely. Officers then located a man matching the description at a nearby laundromat.
Do that, bro. Stop doing it. Stop. Leave me alone, bro. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Put your fucking hands on your back right fucking now. Come on.
Don't swing me. Don't swing me.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop moving. Stop fucking moving.
It's out, bro. It's out. It's out. I said, if I don't, boy, I'll pop y'all ass. Don't do that.
Reach your first bag.
No, I'm not. Let's make a deal.
Let's make a deal.
Is it pulling?
No, it's in his back. It's in his back. Put your hands behind your back, dude.
You got it. You got it already. Stupid ass boy trying to flee me. Ooh, bro.
Where's his bag? Get the gun.
Stop.
Get the gun.
Get it. Get it. Get the gun. Stop, man. Sit us on the street.
Don't fucking move.
Shit. Keep him coming.
Whoa, oh. He trying to grab for his, what's he got up there? His spray or his taser? Because it's not his gun. His gun is on his hip. So that must be the spray. Wow.
Stop, man. Sit us on the street.
Don't fucking move. Shit. Keep him coming.
Ooh, about to get him together.
Stay back. Stay back. Quit fighting, man.
He's grabbing the shit in my belt. Fuck you. Stop.
Let me get up, bitch.
Stop.
Get back.
Whoa, who this?
You can get that in a minute.
No, you're not.
You can get that in a minute. Stop.
Let me get up. Let me slide. Let me get up. Bitch.
You good?
Let us leave. Let us leave, please.
Don't reach for shit.
I'm not. I'm not a nigga.
No, you're not. You're not taking shit. Oh, this is yours too?
Chill the fuck out. Damn. Stop, dude. Just chill.
These cops hurt my wrist.
Well, stop moving then.
Hey, search him and he kept breaching.
What's that?
He kept breaching even after he cuffed.
He, yeah, what? He was reaching for my fucking phone.
I can have script you already. I can have got you. You want no shit? Ain't got no gun no more. It's over. Please let me go.
Well, as soon as we make sure it's safe, we'll get it going.
Take it. Take it.
Hold your second.
Take it. Let me go home.
14 something.
Boy, he lucky he ain't in New York, boy. I don't know, man. Gun charge? New York? We gonna catch you in about 5 years. We gonna catch you. We gonna send you up the road for a good 5, boy. What? You got a gun and you ain't supposed to have one? Gonna catch you in about 5 years, man.
Stop. Fuck you, bitch ass. Stop. Look. Oh, chill. Oh, y'all Oh, oh, yeah, I'm cool. Let me go. Yeah, both of us do. Let us go, please. Please just take a fair off. Oh, stop pressing my arms, stupid. Ah, it's crazy. Damn, what the? I don't have no other gun. That's it, stupid ass nigga. Yeah,
No, let's get him up.
Nothing.
All right, we're sending you up, right? Up. Hey, come on. Come on, go. Come on. What the fucking shit? Stop kicking.
Okay, then. Stop doing that to me.
Who's okay?
Please, please, fellas. Give me a chance, okay?
Yeah, you got a chance.
No, I'm not getting out.
Get in the car. You're gonna get in that fucking car.
I can already tell what kind of inmate he is. I ain't gonna lie. He one of them inmates that he's gonna be a problem. Not necessarily because he's just tough, it's because he's scared. And he probably don't want to be around like all the other inmates. He want to go to PC and stuff like that, so he gonna act an asshole. Like, you can look like going to jail, he's terrified. Just look how he's acting.
You got a chance.
No, I'm not getting out.
Get in the car. You're gonna get in that fucking car.
Yes. Hold on. Yes. Hold on.
Give me the face. Get in the fucking car.
Please. No.
Get in the fucking car. Get in the car.
No.
Unbuckle it.
No, please. Give me a chance, fellas.
Too bad.
Give me a chance.
Get in the car. Sit up there. It's done. Get in the fucking car. You're already arrested. Get in the car.
Please, why y'all doing this? No, I don't want to go back there. No, I don't want to go back there.
Feet in the car.
No.
We can do this all day.
Give me a chance.
You had your fucking chance.
Please.
Put your fucking foot in the car.
Please.
Be an adult. Put your foot in the car.
Okay.
Be an adult. Fuck.
Give me a
Put
chance.
your fucking feet in the car.
I'll fit you in a minute.
Fucking feet.
Stop doing that.
I ain't
bullshit.
taking no fucking bribe for you. Put your fucking feet in the car.
What?
We're straight up fucking cops. We don't take fucking bribes. Put your
I'm
fucking
sorry,
feet
I
in.
made a mistake, bro.
Put your fucking feet. And now you gotta pay for it like an
No,
adult. Get in the car.
please, no, no.
Scary ass mug. He's scared as hell. Go back to jail. He don't want to go.
But give me one chance.
You've had your shot.
No, I didn't. I ain't. I'll do it. No problem. Don't do that.
Get your fucking
Don't
feet
do
in the car.
that.
They gonna beat the brakes off this mother. Watch.
Please.
You can talk later.
If you can. It's fine.
The suspect in this incident faces multiple charges, including bribery. Additional charges include armed habitual criminal, possession of a stolen firearm, unlawful possession of a weapon by a felon, obstructing a peace officer, obstructing justice, criminal trespass to a vehicle, and disorderly conduct. Here is what those charges mean in plain terms. Bribery is an allegation someone offered something
Man, don't break it down. We know what it means. What did he get any time?
to have been reported stolen.
Did he get any time? No. Break it down. You ain't gotta explain what he's charging. These are allegations and charges filed in this case, not proof of guilt. All right, so he ain't been charged yet. All right, or he ain't been found guilty yet. All right, cool. Man, yeah, this guy definitely don't want to go back to jail. Definitely don't want to go back. Scared to death. You could tell. That's why he was trying to pay off the cops or want to bribe them. Putting up a whole fight not to go back. Like, you going back, it's over. You already got a rap sheet. You're cooked, man. You're cooked. So yeah, whatever. Go back to jail, because you got these types of inmates too. These guys who, the tough guys, for the most part, the tough guys, they kind of, they're kind of like you know that inmate that we seen the other video where he beat up the two female officers and stuff like that. That's like a tough guy. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, you know, he's tough. He stay out the way. He doing his own thing. But if you push his buttons, he gonna turn up. Right? Now, this type of guy here he's a fake tough guy. Like, if one of them guys really pull up on him, he's scared. Like, one of them guys pull up on him, he's scared. He giving up commissary. He giving up all of that. Here, take it, man. Yo, what? You got new shoes? Oh, nah, let me get that. Come up off them shoes, man. Come up off them shoes, man. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those, like, if he got a family on the outside or whatever that's actually looking out for him, maybe his mom, sister, girlfriend, whatever, put money on his books or whatever, man. Hey, look. Oh, you got commissary coming every week, every month? Oh yeah, I need 50% of that, man. Come on, man. I need 50% of that, man. Oh, you don't? You don't want to give it up? I bet. And they gonna torture him. That's why he acts out. You know what I'm saying? He gonna act out, try to go to PC or go somewhere else, like, cause he can't handle it. This is a fake tough guy. I can see it. I can look at him and see it. You know, don't judge a book by its cover, boy. I could look at him and say, nah, you scared. Cause that whole act that he putting on really is so that way when he first get up in there or whatever, oh, he's combative, he's this, he's that. So they might separate him and not put him in a cell with everybody. Cause you got individual cells, like holding cells, right? When you go down to the county, you got individual joints, and then you got group ones where then everybody waiting to get, you know, to an assigned pod or whatever the case may be or whatever, you know. But this guy right here, scared to death, man. But anyway, yeah, if he was in New York, you getting 5 years for that. What? Stolen gun? Oh yeah, we're gonna catch you in about 5 years. You're done. Anyways, cops did a good job, man. Cops did a good job. This guy was doing everything in his power not to go back to jail. Well, you're going back to jail. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.